We're now going to proceed to sharpen a Japanese style convex edge stainless steel scissor. This is a 59 Rockwell well executed scissor with an adjustable dial, deep hollow ground, well developed ride here. And we'll proceed to sharpen a blade just to show you how quickly and easily it can be done on this hybrid machine. I'm pulling the scissor apart and I'm going to load it into the Japanese guide at approximately, we have it set at 45 degrees, as you can see. I'm going to put a Japanese disc on here. This is a black silicone carbide, approximately 1000 grit. I'm going to turn the machine on. This is a high torque machine, so I can run it extremely low speed. You can see it's not going to stall out. And I'm going to proceed to convex this shear and bring up a little burr. As you can see, I'm setting a line here, waiting for a burr to develop from my grinding. Okay, we have a developed burr, which you can feel with your finger. Give it a little more here. This is 1000 grit, so it's very, very fine. There comes the burr right now. Alright, we have a developed burr all the way through to the tip. And now I'm going to radius to create my convex edge. And that's done on 1000 here, very simply, very easily. Shut the machine down, change out the disc, run to a 2000 grit. This is a 2000 grit. Once again, I'll give it a little more speed. And I'll radius it just enough to create a convex surface. Shut down. Wipe down, and you can see a perfect developed convex edge. I'll now pull the burr formation. I'll pull the burr formation up on some aluminum oxide powder on a strop here. And we can now see the burr formation is up on top. And I'll now polish. Get that disc. I'm putting a polishing pad in here. This is a Suba pad. Back in the guide. And I'm going to polish that burr right off. There it goes in one piece. Done. Now I'll rock and roll a little bit here to polish. And the procedure is complete. Wipe this down. And we have a high polished edge with terrific bite on it, just to illustrate what I call sharp. Is the ability to cut hair with a single blade. Not with two, but with one. And here we have one single blade cutting. This is what is known as a sharp blade.